Everyday superpower. We talk body language, relationships, game, everything between. I'm going to talk to you about a gnarly stratagem for living your life and experiencing the dating cycle. Or being in a relationship with someone full stop. This does not, change what I'm going to tell you, whether it be your first date or whether it be, 10, 20 years of marriage. What's more important than spending an extended amount of time with someone is ensuring that what time you do spend with them is concentrated and energizing to them. Allow them to feel seen, allow them to be noticed, allow them to be understood, right? And engaged, and ensure your communication is clear and concise. I'm making this video to tell you, as a man of purpose, as a man who is pursuing that which fulfills his soul, that which makes him him, ignore the entertainment, ignore the vices, ignore that which you want to do as far as that which takes you off of your purpose. Save that to share with the lady you're seeing. There's so many different reasons why. You bring her into your world, right? It's something new to her. It's enticing to her. When she comes and joins you on your journey, on your path, you are placed in the optimal position. You are placed in the masculine position. You are the leader. She loves that. She wants you to take her hand and whisk her away, yes? So because you've been working for yourself, building your dreams, non-stop hard work, depleting yourself of energy, bordering burning out prior to seeing her, so you can now relax and enjoy the fruit of your labor by celebrating the effort you've invested into your own self-development. And now you can go on holiday. Now you can watch the television you've not been watching. You can watch the film you wanted to see or that she wants to see that you wouldn't have done in your own time. You can really ensure that the time spent with her is concentrated in such a manner that you needn't worry about what else you need to do. And I envy, yet I don't envy the man who can go and see a woman for extended periods of time and not in the back of his head start spazzing out about work that needs to be done. I got one life and I've got a dream and I've got aspiration and I've got a purpose and I've got drive and I've got ambition and I've got desire, and that's incredibly attractive to women because that ensures that you're getting to the resource. Yes, biologically that woman's gonna feel a pull towards those behaviors in a man as opposed to a repulsion to the contrary. So you rid yourself of the need to do so by getting it out of the way and on the verge of burning out where you would need to stop for the sake of your own mental health. You say, right, now I can enjoy a bit of entertainment. I've been enjoying myself to some degree through the dopamine of my own success. But now I can enjoy some cheap dopamine with a lady who appreciates that. Because that woman isn't going to be on my purpose. You show me any woman who works like me, I won't believe you. I won't believe you. She doesn't have the biological drive to do so, regardless of what the people tell you. I don't believe it. So I can spend some time in celebration with an elevated frequency of that which comes from a space of success. And I can spend a day, 2 days, 3 days, it doesn't matter. We could go away for a week. I've been working hard all month I'm looking forward to this so much. And the fact is, I'm looking forward to it so much. And I can express that positive, elevated frequency with you. Isn't that amazing? Aren't we definitely going to have a good time? As opposed to me needing to do something else, as opposed to me looking at you, perhaps on an unconscious basis, looking at you like you're a problem to my work rate, like you're a problem to my mental health, because I'm thinking, shit, I shouldn't be here. I should be doing something else. I should be building. I should be chasing my purpose, right? When you get it all out of the way and allow yourself to breathe, but you don't do it by yourself. You spend time by yourself, investing in yourself in a way that is productive and developmental. When you step outside of that isolated space into the realm of community, into the realm of relationship and communication, she's going to perceive you as larger than life, because you're continuing to garner a momentum into the space of what makes you, and you are going to develop this forged, through the fire persona and characteristic of a man that makes sacrifices, of a man that only needs himself, of a man that believes in himself, of a man that is attaining by himself. You naturally are going to walk and speak and engage with the confidence of that which is real, that which is actually you, because you do this in your own time. But you needn't express that verbally. It becomes natural, and now you can look at her like there's not a problem in the world, because you are as excited to take a day off than she is. And I'm not saying there are, like, you know what I mean? Oh, there's no days off, bro, and all this and that. Bro, if you want to have a cohesive relationship, at some point you might have to engage with that woman. You can't just leave her to one side and have her just wait for you to, wank you off and then go to sleep and then you're back at it. It doesn't work like that, bro. I mean, it does to an extent, but it's all dynamic. It's all dynamic. So that's some game there. I mean, it's so stupid. Like the title of it, there's a book called The Way of the Superior Man. Generally, it's a bit shit, but there's one particular point in there which does speak on concentrated energy and how important it is. And that's something I have taken from that literature and, pay attention to when it comes across, because it makes sense even in the realm of, looking after a child or looking after so on and so forth. For somebody to feel seen is very important. One of the most enticing elements you can have when engaging with someone is to allow them to feel seen. Oh, wow. People are always waiting to speak and allow their ego to just talk about themselves, and everyone's so self-centered and blah, blah, blah. But when I speak to this person, he focuses on me. He has the time and the concentration to hear me and engage with me and speak with me on a deeper level than I've ever received before. And you will be able to garner that response and that excellent degree of communication when you only leave your space for self-indulgence and entertainment and so on and so forth with the person you love. Express that positive energy. On that note, I'm signing out. Click like and subscribe. Peace.